a journey to speak English like a native. Once upon a time, there was a young girl named Serena who lived in a small village nestled in the hills. Serena dreamed of speaking English fluently, like the travelers who passed through her village. One day, Serena met a wise old man who told her to speak English like a native. You must immerse yourself in the language. With determination sparkling in her eyes, Serena set off on her journey. Her first step was to find English books. Serena visited the village library and borrowed books ranging from simple stories to advanced novels. Every day, she devoted time to reading aloud, listening carefully to the pronunciation of each word. Next, Serena realized the importance of practicing speaking. She joined an English-speaking club in her village, where she met fellow learners. Together, they engaged in conversations, sharing stories and experiences, helping each other improve. Serena understood that watching English movies and TV shows could enhance her language skills. She spent evenings watching her favorite films with subtitles, mimicking the actors' speech patterns and expressions. One sunny afternoon, Serena stumbled upon an online language exchange platform. Excitedly, she connected with native English speakers from around the world. They exchanged messages, had video calls, and corrected each other's mistakes, fostering friendships while honing language skills. As Serena's confidence grew, she decided to travel to a nearby city where English was widely spoken. Immersed in the bustling streets and vibrant culture, she conversed with locals, absorbing their accents and dialects. Back home, Serena's determination only strengthened. She subscribed to English podcasts and listened attentively while cooking or doing chores. She practiced speaking by recording herself and comparing her pronunciation to native speakers. One day, Serena received an invitation to attend an international conference in a big city. Nervous yet excited, she delivered a speech in flawless English, captivating the audience with her eloquence and confidence. Reflecting on her journey, Serena realized that speaking English like a native wasn't just about mastering grammar and vocabulary. It was about embracing the language wholeheartedly, immersing oneself in its culture, and fearlessly practicing every day. Years passed, and Serena became a renowned linguist, inspiring countless others to embark on their own language learning journeys. Through her dedication and passion, Serena showed the world that with perseverance and determination, anyone could speak English like a native. And so, Serena's story serves as a beacon of hope for language learners everywhere, reminding them that the path to fluency is paved with curiosity, resilience, and unwavering commitment. If you enjoyed listening to Serena's journey of learning English, find the next video for the second part of the story in the description box below.